Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your renter's insurance with Geico, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your renter's insurance with Geico, start by visiting the Geico website. Navigate to the renter's insurance section. Click on the option for upgrading your existing policy. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one. Provide your personal information, including your name and address. Once logged in, locate your current renter's insurance policy. Review the coverage details listed on your policy. Look for upgrade options that meet your needs. Consider enhancements such as increased personal property protection, liability coverage, or additional living expenses. Select the upgrades you wish to add. Review the cost associated with each upgrade. Adjust the coverage limits as necessary. Once satisfied, proceed to the checkout process. Enter any required payment information. Submit your changes to finalize the upgrade. Keep a copy of the updated policy for your records. You will receive a confirmation email from Geico regarding your upgraded renter's insurance. Review the email to ensure all changes are correct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.